So hey there, welcome back. Welcome back to another video of Ask Ash, and for this video I decided to do some coffee grinding with my blender. So for those of you that have whole coffee beans, like this for example, and you want to make coffee and you'd like to make some coffee and you don't have a coffee grinder, you can just use a blender. You don't have to go and buy that whole coffee grinder machine itself. So this is good enough. So let's dive into that. I think I'm going to start with the crema. Pour in some coffee. So let's close the lid. And we'll start it off real slow. We'll start it off by dicing it. So as you can see, the whole coffee beans have never been grinded into grinded coffee, but that's not enough. You want it to be smoother. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see, these are quite big. You want it to be real smooth, not these big clunches. So let's go ahead and blend it to somewhat smoother. Okay, so we'll up the intensity of the grinding. Let's go to chop. So as you can see, it's quite smoother. It's almost like it's sticking together. And this is what you want. This is what your grounded coffee should look like. So this batch is done. So we'll do the same for the espresso dark roast, which I have here. And that was the crema. And then we'll start making our coffee. So this one is the crema and this one is the dark roast. You can really see the color difference. So why don't we just start making our own coffee, right? We'll start with the crema del creme. In the meantime, I've added some milk into my cup. Frothing of the milk depends on how much milk you prefer, so it's up to you. So now it's time to wait on the coffee. So it's dropping so slow because I tamped the coffee real tight. The tighter you tamp it, the longer it'll take for the coffee to drop down. But the tighter it is, the more time the hot water gets to extract the coffee out of it. So I prefer to tamp it real tight. I don't mind waiting a little bit longer, but then you get a stronger coffee. So keep that in mind. So as you can see, the cream is starting to drop down. It looks nice. Let's get a closer look at it. So once that reaches the level of 2, that's the amount of serving I placed into it, we'll stop with the coffee and we'll start frothing. But before you start frothing, keep in mind if you have left your coffee machine for a while, don't start frothing within the milk itself. Put it onto pause for a while. And before you put the coffee into it, just let it froth for just half a second. That's just to remove any filth that could have been left in the frother itself. So let's start frothing now. YouTube side in front. Let's just promote YouTube one while we're at it, right? And I'm gonna do the taste. I'm gonna taste it out, check it out, and I'll let you guys know in a bit. Let's go over to the dark roast. See the line? That's where you want it. The 2. That's 2 servings. That's just enough for me. Whoa. The espresso dark roast is actually sweeter than the creme. The crema. But maybe I added too much sugar in this one. That's also a possibility. But as you can see, the espresso doesn't need to have any milk added. That's what the espresso is. This is a cappuccino what I made. This espresso cappuccino machine is supposed to make both of them. I still don't know how to make the espresso with that much crema in it. One of my comments on my previous YouTube video, somebody also asked me that same question, why don't you get the crema? Honestly, I just think that this machine, they labeled it as an espresso machine, but it doesn't actually make the espresso. You need a high-end espresso machine to make that. So this crema won't be able to be added by this. I added milk in it, so that makes this espresso into a cappuccino. All right, but if I'm talking about the taste, I actually think that the dark roast is better than the crema. The crema is also good. These are 100% Arabic coffee beans. So I would give the better taste award to the espresso dark roast. It's actually quite hot out here, so I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it helped, subscribe and like my videos, and we'll keep on making more. If you have any ideas, add them into the comments.